guys, today I will be making a lobster and shrimp pineapple bowl. And some of the ingredients that I will need will be some shrimp, clean, some carrots that I actually cut up very thin and fine, some peas, a lobster and some shrimp for the topping, of course a pineapple. I have some oil, vegetable oil, an egg, I have oyster sauce, soy sauce. I'm not going to use the Worcestershire sauce, that was just sitting there. In the topping, I'm going to make like a mayo topping, like a glazed topping with the mayo. I have the sriracha and the sweet chili sauce. And I have a good knife, so that's getting juicy for this. Looking already. Look at that. Work that rectangle. And I cut it down this way and then across like slots. Right now I'm going to dig it out with spoon. Okay, put a little bit of vegetable oil in here. I'll walk with a little up in here. Add my rice. Alright, so now I'm going to add my carrots. Peas. And my shrimp. This is brand new. Some oyster sauce. See how the rice turned out? Alright, so now I'm going to make my sauce. So add like 2 tablespoons of mayo. See? The sriracha sauce. Add some in here. It's gonna be like a glaze for the top. You can add as much as you like. There you go. The sweet chili sauce. Flavor. That's gonna be the topping once I air fry the topping, which is some shrimp left. This is how it's cooking so far in the air fryer. I actually have it on bake, a bake setting, so I'll show you next step. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to add my sauce. And I'm going to brush it on. And it's going back in the air fryer. Really, like I told you, I put it on bake when I get in there. I did spray the bottom of the air fryer pan with the olive oil and on the seafood. Alright, this is how it turned out. The Bang Bang lobster and shrimp. Now I'm going to load it. Shrimp fry roast. So we have. Alright, so this is what we have. Lobster and shrimp Bang Bang pineapple bowls. Look good.
Alright y'all, we back. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are having a pineapple bowl with shrimp fried rice, shrimp, and lobster with, what's on top? Boom Boom's shrimp sauce? Bang Bang. Oh. We having a Bang Bang. We having a Bang Bang lobster and shrimp bowl. The pineapple bowl. Alright, and we're going to start off with a prayer. We're going to dig in. Okay. Amen. Amen again. All right.
Oh
I got
my
some pineapple juice.
Water.
And we about to dig in.
I don't know. I guess I'll start off with the rice.
You sure there ain't no down Julio?
And her water.
Nah,
That's
it's
water. That's water. You know she be driving.
I believe it.
No, Pierre. She got water.
I was about to say, I thought she had some down.
I got juice.
What?
Ooh, good.
It's good, right? That's seasoned right.
Wow.
Told you.
You ain't eat one of them?
Wow.
Them shit's good.
It looks so good.
I had to,
Mm.
I ain't gonna lie, I like that. That was a good food, because that's how I remember it. When y'all told me y'all went to food in the jail, that's what I'm like, bitch.
Trying to think.
That shit was alright.
yeah.
Okay, I'm about to put some.
They stingy with that little land too.
What?
Get some of the shrimp.
It
That's
come
not
around
with the
like-
fried rice.
I keep my green card. I said, yo, tell the dude.
This
What's
has
the
the bang
topic
bang
of today?
sauce.
Pass, like, yo, tell the dude.
Do you got story time when something happened to you when you was growing up?
When they bring that shit like,
They don't bring that shit around. Like
I have a lot.
they keep bringing all that steak.
Which is the juiciest one?
Parmesan steak, all that.
Man, you know.
Juicy
That lamb was
one.
good.
The one you
It
get
could
back
be
and
like
remember about.
good,
She
like.
ain't like it like that.
Yeah.
Anything?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
You sing that from dirty ass meat truck. Come, but they don't like
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is the one I remember because it was
Remember like
traumatic.
yesterday?
Shit, we ain't get back though. We
Okay.
ate there.
I was getting my hair done.
Went to a couple bars.
My cousin was doing it. Not saying it's his fault because it wasn't. But I was getting my hair done, braided. I was like 5 in kindergarten. And
Oh, you going way, way back when you was a kid. I was talking about like teenage stuff, like adult like stuff.
Oh, so it's
this is what I can remember.
Like in school or different stuff like. But okay, what?
I was getting my hair done. My cousin was doing it, and it was done. So it was time for it to be like dipped in water.
You gotta braid it.
Yeah, I got it braided, and it was dipped in water. And as my hair was being dipped in water, the burning hot water got on me and burned my whole entire back.
Yeah, you know how you dip in the water in the pot when you getting braids and you want it to curl.
I don't think
Where was that? Where?
That's why
You was
Cody
there.
always busy.
Where I was at when that happened?
actually a vaccination.
you
Was in a room or something came out?
you was right. You was in the house somewhere. I don't know, but you can't really see it anymore. But I don't know which side it was on. It was so long ago. Like I said, I
That
was
is
5.
gone. Yeah. Skin healed up.
Oh, she just sent you.
But it was bad. Like, I wish we got pictures of it. It was like meat. Like, you could see my meat.
Back in the day, we didn't take pictures of everything or do like we do now.
Yeah, that was back in 05.
She got videos of
Fake shit too, though.
everything
They're
now.
not really check.
But it don't.
Everything.
But it look like
Yo, you know
Like-
that shit, all them students in Delaware? And
Of
you-
our dog.
Yo, they started popping all them students, yo, for fake
It's come up.
vaccination cards, yo.
Remember our the dog?
Fucking,
I never knew how old our dog was.
Oh.
And I always knew she was getting older right now. She like I always said she getting old. She gotta watch out for her. We need another dog, but
Basically, they keep saying, they think she's 8, but she's 7. They think she's a year older than she is, and she's not. She was born in 2014.
how long she can live?
She can live up to 10 to 12 years, and she's 7, so.
And wait, the dog she's only 7 years old. She still can mate till she's 8.
You Googled it?
Didn't we just look it up earlier? Yeah.
Did you look? I never looked it up.
I looked it up.
So she 8, right? You looked it
She's
up.
7.
No, I'm saying how long?
Oh, I
she's
didn't. Oh, I didn't. Cruz said she can mate up to
To
8. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So he just said that.
No, I didn't say that. I said, I don't know.
This nigga feeding the deer.
Well, we don't know. We're just trying to have more puppies.
Well,
before
y'all
she
thought
go.
about getting those cane corsos that y'all seen online.
Yeah, but remember, I was trying to talk to the people about the cane corsos, and when I hit them up, they was like, "What you gonna do with our puppies?" Like they was like, "I didn't know." And I had to take a picture and send them a picture of our dog, showing that we got a whole cane corso, and Talia had gave me a high five when I took the picture and sent it to them. They was like, oh, well, when do you want it? And start asking all these questions after they saw that we raised the whole cane corso.
Don't do that. Got the nerve to talk about. Anyway.
But some people are really strict about their dog.
Oh, yeah, I get it. But, like, they have to do all that.
Right.
They could have, like, asked it like they were asking interview questions. Like, so what do you think, so how would you care for a dog? Like, you know, it's the way you say things.
Mm-hmm. No, they switched it up after I showed them the dog.
I'm sorry, I didn't cut you off, but you can really taste the pineapple in the rice.
Yeah. And I didn't even chop it up. You can usually chop it up and put it in there, but I didn't.
Look at me. Look at my bowl.
That's good.
I'm making a mess.
But it's good, right?
Mm-hmm. You sent me a lobster for last?
You can use your lobster whenever you want to.
No, I asked that because I'm saving mine for last.
Oh. I'm just eating my rice now.
Yo, one thing's for sure though, once I make it first thing I'm gonna do is get my CV out.
You must be taller than me in the seat because.
And they coming up.
Remember, you think it's the bunk?
Oh, the bunk, yeah.
Or my head just a little bit?
Because it seemed like you up higher than me and I'm down low.
Oh, because I was like trying
Doing
to
like, okay.
Make extra paper on the side.
That's so good. I might even get them now. I'm gonna give them some rice. Oh, yo, you can taste the pineapples in it. Oh my god.
That's what Uncle Wade said after the first time he tried it.
The pineapples.
I just want to be like, man, I'll go deliver oil a couple hours for 4 hours and then that's it.
Wow. I was not expecting this to be like.
It's something for me to
Like
do,
what?
man.
The way it tastes?
Working
Yeah.
overtime at that jail, that jail different.
It ain't the same. Me and somebody was just talking about
Yeah, it's totally different.
Because he was just lined up. Me and somebody was just talking about we was right up, we was cracking up.
You talk to AR?
Nah.
You go out and enjoy it.
Ooh.
So what's how we?
Like
You good?
you usually do.
You up?
So we just eat at home.
Doing all right?
I continue to cook and eat at home, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know, some roast morning, yeah.
Trying to think what I'm going cook next.
He was just with me.
Something delicious.
Saturday night he was with me.
Mm.
He took me to leave.
We're not even talking, we just eating.
My bowl almost because it's so good.
It was a party and we was
It's so good. We was talking about our topic, but
The food is distracting me, man.
right. Right.
Where'd y'all leave to?
I'm trying to think of
Nah, we
something.
left. We went back to.
Happened to me when I was younger.
I guess I can talk about this. I had, I was talking to Grandma and Grandpa and Pill the other day.
What? And you drink?
Like, I went to go to their grave and talk to them.
Oh, you did? You tell me that.
That hurt me.
I went, I think my last day at work I went. So that was Monday.
So everything was right next to each other?
Grandmom and Grandpops was. I had to go, like, because you know, like, the things are, like, in order of the years that people died. I had to go all in the back to the 90s. And, I got stuff in my water. I went to, like, the 90s and found them. But it was, I think it was Grandma. Wait, who died first? Grandpa, right? It was Grandpa, and then it was, like, 3 more. I think it was Grandpa. It was,
Then they said grandma died from a broken heart. And they don't want that's what they were saying.
She, it was like 3 people in between, 3 or 4 people in between them, and then I
In between
found,
and then you found
yeah,
okay.
no, it was Grandpa, and then it was 3 or 4ur people, and then
Oh,
it
they
was
didn't have them
Grandma.
next to each other. Okay.
And then Pill, I thought so too, but Pill, she's like all the way in the front.
Okay.
He trying to do good. You hear me? He got him a little job.
You would have found other family members out there too.
What other family members?
I want to speak on, but I would tell you later. You found other family members out there. You went to one, like you wanted Juvenile
He
detention
don't be
center.
trying to, but he just be where he know
Sunny
that
Slope.
shit.
So,
He
yeah.
know, right? He like, yeah, he always knew like this. He be
Wait,
like,
what's the
no.
detention center?
he's like, shit, you fucked up.
But they still got juveniles up there. But yeah,
This is good.
and there's other family members out there. The Lobster's it. Oh, you cut yours? You did yours?
That's my dude.
Might do mine.
You can't fuck with him on shoes like that.
But yeah, 'cause I remember going out there
Look at that.
Tomorrow,
when Pill had her funeral.
We ain't even throw them there.
We did it. We can use. Oh man.
It don't
Or
matter.
just use
we
the
do
picture.
one of our yeah. I just use the picture.
But yeah, when I was out there to see Riyadh, I was like, let me find Pill in their grave site because I never knew where they were, and I found it because I be going out there at dark sometimes too.
Mm.
I said, I've been too many funerals.
Oh, it's nice and center.
That sauce.
Talia, stop.
She gonna try hard to lick you in the face.
Stop.
Yeah, I gave him a kiss goodbye, and then that was it.
We never hooked up our mic, but I think it's.
I know. I was just about to say.
I think it'll be good.
I'm supposed to hit me up and say, you want to pull up, get some views. Oh, that's him right there.
He just hit you. He said, Yo, trick man,
Yo, nigga, pull up, nigga.
Probably so he's sleeping. You ain't got to work.
Oh.
All right, está bien.
Yo, this is so good. When I tell you, it's good.
Wow.
We're about to end it though soon because we've been.
That was a quick little, nice little, quick little dinner. Finished, basically.
Definitely killed it.
That was good.
It was okay.
Hey, dude. My sleepyhead. What are you doing? What were you doing? So, what were you doing, sleepyhead?
Anyway, y'all. Now that you know what tomorrow is?
School.
How a special day.
Their birthday.
Yeah, I thought you.
But also the most worst school day ever.
Why? Because it's Friday?
Yeah.
It's supposed to snow tomorrow. No, tomorrow's Friday? Yeah. It's supposed to snow. It'll be a bad snowstorm.
So, let's see if you don't have school. Well, no, I mean, yeah, you probably will because it's going to snow later. 10 out of 10.
What you get? You get it 10 out of 10?
Same
Same here.
Look at me, making a mess.
Can I eat a vitamin?
A what?
Yeah.
2.
I know. I didn't have any, but these are good.
So you eating your vitamins as candy?
All right, well, don't exceed. Don't
No,
overexceed
she don't eat 2 a day.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm
She
telling you,
just said
just don't eat. If you do eat 2, don't just go to 2. Don't eat over 2. Because I remember I used to do that. And, oh my gosh.
I did too. I used
happened?
to. We used to be at work
Mommy, fart shot.
eating like
I don't know. It's just not good for you.
4 or 5 of them.
Just eat them because they
Cause
gross.
it tastes like candy. No, yeah,
Yeah.
we used to do that at work all the time.
Wait, how is it bad for you?
Because we're really not supposed to take more than what they tell you to, but
Sometimes we do it. And stay on directions. You gotta follow the directions. You know?
what?
Alright, y'all. This is good.
I'll
Look,
get
we
you.
killed it.
Over here.
We about to end this video. Look at this. I'm about to end this. Anywho, y'all. Let's end this key. Oh, excuse me.
Ooh.
She hate burp.
I'm cool with it right now, but Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on those post notifications whenever you get notified, so you can get notified when she uploads a video.
Until next time. Yeah.